Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm going to dive into hot right now, Holochain. For those of you interested, once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. Everything you do, sharing is caring. I really do appreciate all the comments, the feedback and everything that we get on the channel is amazing. I really want to thank you all, okay? It's great. So right now you can see Hot's broke down, okay? Broke down, and where it's rested on the previous swing high. Do you see that? So that's a key level of support, because what it does, when things go up, as you can see, it's gone up, and what did it do? There, it rested on that previous swing high, fell for it as support. We did start to form this sort of recovery here, where we got this bottom and started to march on, but obviously Bitcoin, the anomaly, broke down again. But we do look like we're picking back up, okay? I'm not going to shy away from the fact that we are picking back up. Now, if you was to lose this key level of support, because I'm always going to show you key levels of support in this channel, okay? This particular key level of support right now is our local bottom in this recovery that we've hopefully got going on for hot, and it's at 0.134499, okay? So if we lose that, then do target another breakdown to the previous swing high, which is this particular level just here, okay? So do target that, because if you do start to lose that particular level, right, because this is what happens, there's nothing in between that, so it needs to find a key level of support. The key level of support is the previous swing high. That's where you'll always see it fall back to. So that in itself is really good golden short opportunities, okay? Because if it was to lose that, you could see a 13% correction down to there, which you would see a bounce, just like it did here, where it lost this previous swing high, okay? It loses it, and where does it fall back to? This previous swing high. So that's a short opportunity there, okay? Short opportunity with take profit. And also, it's not necessarily a short opportunity, it's a long opportunity, because you know it will always bounce off there and pick up. So right now you could have, if you'd come to your charts, okay, this is what I can't express to you, come to your charts and have a play, because you can draw these trend lines yourself, okay? So right now you could do two things. If you see hot break down, set a short position down to there, okay, to that particular position with take profit, or set a long position from this, put bids in basically at this position here to go long, because you know it's going to bounce up. So that's effectively a 16% bounce that you could potentially pick up on, and that's trading 101, okay? Do play with your charts and you'll see what I mean. So right now, so far so good. We look like we're recovering relatively well. We've got a potential bullish cross on the MACD down here, that the histogram's potentially turning a little bit bullish as well. Do you see this on the MACD? Your RSI is sitting lovely in a beautiful level, okay, to sort of reverse and pump up. You can see how much more room that's got to pump, which could send you into the absolute stratosphere, okay? I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying at the moment you are painting some nice patterns and you're holding key levels of support, because right now, and I'm seeing this across the board in most of my videos, I'm saying exactly the same thing, but obviously it's a little bit different for certain projects. You're creating a high low, right? You're creating a high low, and you also got this level of resistance right here. Do you see this level of resistance? And what else are you creating? You're creating a higher low. You're also creating some form of like ascending triangle. You're almost sitting on a bullish cross on the MACD, okay? See that on the MACD? Let me move this up a little bit for you to see. You're almost sitting on a bullish cross on the MACD. You've got a little bit of rejection there, hence why this has come down to test a critical level of support, which is an ascending trend line. So you're making a higher low. Brilliant. Confluence of the fact that you're getting picked up. So what you could see here is a nice little pump for hot out of this resistance line, which currently sits at roughly 0.17996. Okay, you could see a nice little pump there for hot, and that would take you up to that particular level right there, 0.207362, and that would be a nice little trade there after this resistance line of around 15%. So what you do need to see for this to be valid, okay, because this is effectively another pattern as well, it's also a bit of an ascending triangle, right? But you've also got this W double bottom. See this, like that sort of pattern there, which is a reversal pattern, a double bottom effectively. And again, you've got the breakout target, which is identical to the ascending triangle target, and that would see you pump up to that level there. So what you can't afford to do basically is come down and lose this low here. If you start to lose that low there, then you're going to sort of sell off, and you'll sort of look at that low there as a potential short opportunity or a potential long opportunity, because you potentially get the bounce there, okay? So that's basically hot. I'll keep you updated at all times. If you was to see yourself fall any lower now, then do anticipate you are coming down to that particular level, and then look at opening a short if you was to lose that level down to that level there. But so far so good. I want to reassure you that we're looking like we've got a bit of a reversal here, okay? We've carried out this double M top. Do you see this? So effectively you've carried out the correction already, and now you're coming back upon it as resistance. That's how it works. You've got this double end top like that, and then you went from there down. You could see that you corrected, and look where you corrected to. Boom. So again, it's all patterns within patterns, okay, and I'll always do my best to show you them. So when you lost the support here, that this double top created, okay, lost its support, you corrected, you've followed out that correction, but right now you're coming back up on it as resistance. If you break it as resistance, okay, you know, you could see that little pump up there to that sort of level there, taking you up to test these highs as well. And that's how it all works. In, out, in, out. Looks bad, looks like it's collapsing, but it's actually just carrying out little tests of support and resistance. Very clever stuff. Do take care, everyone. I'll catch you in another hot video soon. Bye bye.